Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Sky Channel 081, which is Country TV. Let's take a look now and see what's going on. There is a lot of cloud around the north of the country and a lot of humidity as well. But that humidity is finally being blown away by the westerly that's coming in. You can see the defining line right there, very clear between humid nor'easters on this side and the windy westerlies, which are building down here around the Southern Ocean. So when we switch on the wind and rain maps, you can very clearly see this new change. The humid weather, the nor'easters and all the humidity, that's over on this side being blown away. Here are the new westerlies coming through, and they're with us for the next couple of weeks. Now, Weather Watch is doing work for the Ministry for Primary Industries again. They've contracted us to ask about what is going on in some of these dry areas now. As we headed towards winter, it's usually this time of the year that we start to get the rainmakers coming in. But the rainmakers have been about a month late this year, so we're finally getting what I would normally see in April. We're getting it now in the middle of May. The big strong westerlies, the rain on the west coast day after day, and warmer than average conditions in the east. So as we head in towards the weekend, there's not a great deal of change. Get used to this pattern. Westerlies blowing across the country. They're more nor'west for some areas at times, and then they might switch a little more west-southwest after these fronts move past. Lots of rain on the west coast. It surges back and forth. You won't have rain every single day non-stop. There'll be breaks with the sun, but there's a lot of rain coming over the next week or so for the western coastline of the South Island, but it peters out into the north. As you can see, it's not quite so wet up there. And when we end on Sunday, you can see again the next surge of showers coming back in, the next surge of west to northwest winds coming back in, and once again we're seeing a few showers around the north of the country, and it's not cold. With the winds coming out of the northwest, it'll be a very mild Sunday once again across the country. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081 for Country TV.